left, right and middle function, which is very much useful functions for doing data analysis. At the same time, you can use these functions to create kind of passwords where most of the time the passwords are like first three characters of your name and last four characters of your mobile number, kind of that kind of passwords. So how that is extracted using formulas, and how this can be very much useful into your day-to-day life or day-to-day data analysis function. Let's start. So in the left function consists of the syntax for the left function is like this. You have to write equal to left left, and then just take a tab function. You will see open bracket, and then if you see here, the things which are required for the left functions are text and number characters. So the text, for the time being, I will just take this text. Now after having this text in my name, now I want how many characters I want from the left, like URBAN. I want for the time being 3 characters, so I will just write 3 characters here and close the bracket, enter. So you see, now I got URB. All these 3 characters are being taken in the left function. So you can just then double click on the point here where the plus sign is coming, simple plus sign is coming, and you see the formula is totally copied from top to bottom, and for every point it has taken the first 3 characters of the function. Now let's move on to the right function. So the syntax for the right function is again RIGHT, right. After right, just open the bracket, and after that you will see we have to add the text. So currently I am having this text, I will add this text, and then number of characters. How many number of characters actually we required? We required 3 characters or 4 characters from the right. From the right, in the sense, in this right now we are having urban company. So COMPANY company, the last words are YNAP. So I want like last 3 characters I want, like ANY I want. So what I will write, or 4 characters I want, so I will write 4 here. So now after the writing 4 here, you will see I am having PANY, these 4 characters PANY as a output for this function. You can again simple right click on you can just click on this plus sign here, this plus sign, and double click. You will get all the drop down. The formula is copied everywhere. Now one thing which you actually have to see in this, there I am having two companies, one MG and Ola, as 2 companies only having 3 characters, but here I asked for the 4 characters to extract. So what Excel will do, will totally carry out all that characters whatever are present there, and after that it will show that as a result. Like I asked for the 4 characters, it has extracted 1 MG, direct answer. There is no another part left in this. So now coming to the mid function. Mid function is basically a function used to extract the middle part of the characters, middle part of any given names and all. So what we have to do, again equal to mid open bracket, and now the syntax for the mid, just see it very clearly. What is the syntax? We have to add first text. So for me the text is currently which is the text? The text is this urban company, so I will just take the text, then comma. Now it is asking start number. Start number means from which part you want to have that number. For example, you want to have from the 4th, so you can just click that the 4th part, like A, from A you want. In this urban company you want from A, so write 4. Now till what you want, let's say we want to have till M. So how many characters are there? A N dash C O M. So it is totally 6 characters. So then number of characters, write 6, and then close. See, we got A N C O M, come. The 6 characters are extracted from a given text from the middle of the text. Now There are very good points here where you can actually see your point of view, and you can actually understand from this how these functions also work. For example, like for 1 mg, if we see for 1 mg, there is no output, there is zero output, there is null character output here. Why that is there? Because it's an empty cell, because there is no fourth character itself in a 1 mg, so it is not taking at all that character, so there is nothing, so it has given it a blank. Same case with the Ola. Other like Cred and Apna, there is one single character they have taken out, Excel has taken out. So this is how these three functions, which are very much essential part of data analysis, also at at the same time extracting the important information which you want from a given data. So always remember, this kind of functions can be used while creating your program, while creating your analysis, while creating your dashboards and all, where these things will help you a lot to remove your manual headache and just work on a simple things. I hope you understand about this left, right and middle. See you in the next video. Thank you.